145 Alpha Whiskey, contact Greensboro approach 124.35.
Greensboro on 124.35, 5 Alpha Whiskey, thanks, good day.
November 05 Papa, after your RNAV runway 4 right approach into Stanley County, what are you requesting?
We'd like to make an approach into Asheboro.
05 Papa, are you wanting to execute the public missed approach or just go from Stanley County up to Asheboro?
Just direct Asheboro.
9505 Papa, after completing the missed approach, climb and maintain 3000 direct Asheboro.
After going the missed approach, just flying over, go direct Asheboro, 05 Papa.
We're not executing the miss. That messed me up.
Yeah, I mean, anytime you do the miss, you're doing a miss.
Okay, so it's called a missed anyhow,
yeah,
even though we're just going direct.
Right.
He asked me if we wanted to follow the full missed, and I guess we're not following the full missed.
The hold. Do the hold.
Do the hold.
Right.
I was off.
0 Delta Papa, 9 miles from Lima.
I was off 080.
About 3000, cleared RNAV runway 20 approach to the Concord Airport.
Take advantage of your autopilot and take your hands off and do what you need to do.
There we go. All right, let's hold it at 3. Does this look okay to you right here?
It's,
Okay.
I think it is.
Okay. I just wanted to be sure, what you think.
Again, you can take a little jog to the right if you want to take a jog to the right.
I think what he was he telling us, what he was looking at, I think was over here.
Sean approach 9505 Papa, how's the setting look for the weather?
Papa, Roger, understand you have the weather.
Negative, I was asking how's the setting look for the weather that you see?
05 Papa, I'm just showing light to a little bit of moderate precipitation where you're at. I haven't had any light complaints, but up in Stanley County, I'm not showing anything.
Thank you for listening. 05 Papa.
I have a feeling we're just going to bust right out of this. It's a little bit of rain right here.
Yeah. I can see the ground below us too.
9505 Papa, after completing the option, execute the published missed approach, climb and maintain 3000, and you will be talking to Greensboro approach on the go, 126.6.
126.6, we'll execute the miss after Stanley County to Asheboro. Thank you.
Departure, Pilatus 8240 Mike 2000 for 4000, heading 100.
Pilatus 8240 Mike, Charlotte departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 5000.
5000, 40 Mike.
How you feel? Good?
Yep.
Meridian 0 Delta Papa, radar service terminated, contact.
The rain's messing with my
4.65.
vision though. With it rolling off the...
That's your vision.
Yep, that's my vision.
That's your vision.
Or my peripheral. It's messing with my peripheral.
I understand. I understand.
Are you okay?
I'm good, man.
All right.
Hey, I'm sitting back for the ride.
Well, I do need you for backup. Just
That's fine. I got you.
Okay.
And departure Piedmont 4941.
If it starts getting too busy, just remember you can always slow down.
Let's slow down anyhow.
I would say did that be prudent.
Roger.
Whoops. Way too slow. Let's go 22.
That's fine.
22.
Yep. Oil pressure looks good.
All right.
Temperature looks good.
Time's climbing. Let's stop our climb.
You're gonna have a little bit. You're gonna have a little bit of that in this turbulence, but don't make any major changes.
Okay.
The little tick mark down below the pitch ball sky pointer, and you'll come back down. The slower and methodical you make things, the easier it's gonna be. Work your way down a little bit.
Pilatus 40 Mike, contact approach 124.0.
24040.
Harder than actual.
It's what?
It's a little harder than actual.
It is. But then you get this.
Oh. Just kind of keep an idea in the back of your mind how much actual I'm going to get too, because I want to write that down.
I'd write it all down.
What's that?
Yeah, I understand.
Oh, yeah, because it's hard to go back and go, oh, man, I didn't keep track of it.
You got that.
What's that?
You got that, too. Your GoPro can help you.
Oh, yeah. Go back and look at that.
Down to 3,000. This is a good day to get your feet wet.
Definitely, because it's marginal, not full. Try to make that request back into Waxib.
He should be able to.
He heard me.
I think so.
Okay.
The grass strip down
We haven't passed it yet, so I'm watching my iPad.
I'm watching too.
Okay, let me go ahead and plug that in. Load and activate.
All right.
All right.
Nice little grass strip down there.
What is that? I can't.
Don't worry about it.
Back to instruments.
Papa, clear direct Waxib.
Clear direct to Waxib, 05 Pop.
I knew he'd give it to you. That bucket, turn to it.
What heading you think I need to be on to get there?
See what your...
Number 9505 Papa, 6 miles from Waxib, cross Waxib at 3000, cleared RNAV runway 4 right approach to Stanley County Airport.
Cross Waxib at 3000, cleared for RNAV 04, approach into Stanley County, 05 Pop.
Yours is set up a little bit different than mine, so...
60 Golf Hotel, 2 for 3 Alpha Concord.
Right, 313.
That's 1410 Hotel.
Oh, wrong plane, sorry, 1410 Hotel, 2 for 3.
Let me bring the approach a little bit here.
Charlotte departure IDES, Charlotte altimeter 2999.
So we're going to cross over at 3000. We can stay at 3000 to Ocdam.
10 Hotel, climb and maintain 5000, turn left heading 070.
5000 heading 070, 10 Hotel.
All right, you think that'll give me an intercept for?
Yeah, you need to know your desired track. That's why I put mine on the on my 430. But I mean, you can follow the needles too.
Hotel, climb maintain 10,000.
10,000, 10 Hotel.
Ooh, record, yeah, you're direct to it now.
Number 9505 Papa, radar service terminated. Change to advisory frequency approved. And again, you can contact Ranger for approach on the go 126.6.
126.6, frequency change for 05 Pop, thank you.
November 10 Hotel, turn left heading 360.
Left 360, 10 Hotel.
Okay.
You're doing fine, dude.
So let's go ahead and flip over to Stanley County.
Yep.
126.25.
Yep. And I don't know whether their tower is active today or not. I don't think it is. No, they'll hear you and talk to you if they are.
I think I'm not sure if it's active. That's a good question. Let's see, what kind of call out can we do on this? I guess we don't call anything out. We're not even on the approach yet.
No. You can always give Greensboro a shout out and let them know where you are and see if they'll pick you up.
Okay.
I mean, that's up to you though.
So
I mean, he's cleared you, so go ahead and get up with them and see if they got you.
1266, right?
Yeah.
Okay, should I call them and tell them we're making
give them a call and
left
see
to
if they got
315 now?
you.
Hold on, left to 3.
I tell you what, you fly first, and you can.
All right.
You can communicate later. Or I can call them up and let them know if you want.
We're on them now. Well, here, let me call them because I think I kind of need to.
I mean, I'm just making a recommendation.
Yeah.
See if they got you already, and I mean, they know what you're doing. So maybe give it a heads up and whatever you want to do.
Think they can pick us up this far?
Oh, you can see.
All right, let's see.
Greensboro approach, November 9505 Papa.
All right, so let's just get back on. Are you sure it's 126.6?
That's what I thought it was.
Okay. All right.
You can always verify with Charlotte and ask them.
I think I remember 126.6. All right, so at Octam, let's go ahead and start slowing down.
Yep.
Because we're almost at our. All right, we're almost at our final fix. Let's slow down because when we get to the final, we can begin our descent. Not come down below 2,500 Renzi, so we can come down in what, 500 feet?
Correct.
All right. All right, turn right to 045. I'm not going to put the gear down.
No, you're going to
We're slowing down pretty good here.
You're going to be in the hold, so. Oh, no, you can't. Okay.
All right. We can keep coming down. About 500 feet. Slow my descent down a little bit.
I was about to say, you may just want to keep it slow, keep it 500 feet per minute. You want to keep your head in the gauges, I'll look outside.
All right.
You.
Yep, you keep your eyes out, I'll keep my eyes in.
Eyes are out. I'll stare at nothing.
All right, let's call them out. Because at this final fix will be what, 10 miles final?
Yeah, I'd say about 10 miles.
All right.
Yeah.
Got to intercept my course here.
Stanley County Traffic, Comanche 9505 Papa is a 10-mile final for runway 04. 05 Papa, Stanley County.
Okay, this is a GPS approach, so we're actually just going to follow the needle of the GPS so we don't have to tune anything in.
You don't have to do a thing.
They do want us to put in the final approach course, which would be 04, right?
Yeah.
Well, 043.
It'll stop scrolling at you. At least mine does.
All right, stay at 2,500.
Yep, stay there.
All right, lights are on. Go ahead and put that fuel on. Let's go ahead and flip tanks too.
Okay.
All right, let's hand fly it. Let's turn off the.
Okay.
All right, we're slowed down pretty good here. We're about 115.
That's good.
Won't put the. .2 for next fit. Renzi. I think we do about 16 inches, props full forward.
Okay.
That's what gets us down. Well, I'm definitely below gear speed. So I think right before I hit that fix, I'll go ahead and put gear in, give us a little bit more drag, and then we'll be final from Renzi, what about 6 miles? Okay.
Yeah. Not from Renzi, yeah, it is 6. Okay.
So we'll pick up the glide path.
Glide slope. Yeah.
Glide slope. At Renzi, okay. All right, let's put that gear in. We're 0.5. All right, gears down. And let's go ahead and put one notch of flaps. That slowed us down just
Okay.
enough.
Okay.
All right, one notch right there. And a nice, all right.
Stanley County traffic, Comanche 9505 Papa, 6 mile final for runway 04. This will be a touch and go, Stanley County.
I won't go any more flaps because we're doing touch and go.
Okay.
I don't want to take the flaps out. All right, just following the needle.
How's the weather in Santa County?
I got the wrong frequency.
Density altitude 2,000.
One 128.175.
Weather observation 1857 Zulu. Weather wind 070 at 5. Visibility 102,000. Scattered 2,500. Scattered 3,700. Scattered. Temperature 27 Celsius. Dew point 21. Altimeter 3004. Remarks. Density altitude 2,000.